Are you looking for real passive income investments in the real estate industry? You have the money and you are ready to invest in real estate with the goal to earn a passive income? But almost everyone out there is telling you that you need to buy and manage properties that require you to actively work for your real estate income. Well, in this video, I will talk to you about how you can make money in real estate passively by being an investor. Hello. You are at the Doctor Melva TV on YouTube once again with none other than me, Doctor Melva. Subscribe to the channel for your go-to guide to real estate investing for the ambitious and purpose-driven women out there. Click the bell icon to get notified when a new video is uploaded every Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 9 a.m. PST. About 10 years ago, my husband and I looked into the opportunity of making money in real estate. There were so many options to consider and a lot of different real estate type of businesses to look into: wholesaling, fix and flip, rentals. We were leaning toward fix and flips, but I realized that it was just going to take a lot of our time and effort, which I really didn't have a lot of the time, having a full-time job as a doctor, raising our then very little kids, and other responsibilities I had to juggle. A scenario probably many moms know too well, right? But we set our minds to put our money and work in real estate. So we started our first fix and flip project, and indeed, it needed a lot of time, work, management, and money. Fortunately, that is also the time when we found out about the possibility of investing in someone else's real estate project, and I knew that it was the perfect opportunity for me to still make money and additional income despite my situation. So by now, you probably have an idea of how busy I am, but I'm able to make it work and I'm able to build multiple income streams, even if most of my time is spent on the many responsibilities that I have on a day-to-day basis, like many of you watching. Now, let's talk about why being a private investor in real estate is the best way to truly earn a passive income. Number one, you get profit without having to be involved in the management aspects and all the work involved in the business. Passive income means you let your money work for you. That's what makes being a private investor a good example of making an investment that truly makes money come in passively. Basically, the project is already planned out and execution is ready to be started. All these are done by the people that started the business, that had the original real estate deal. And you as an investor will fulfill the funding part of this project along with other private investors putting in their money to get the project started as well. The management and other aspects of the business will be taken care of by the people who started the project. Key. And as for you, the private investor, all you will probably really need to do is receive the profit and get your investment, your return on investment. Perhaps checking in and looking at the progress and profitability of the real estate project will help whenever you find the time. 2, you get to choose to work with the best in the industry and take advantage of their experience and expertise to ensure continuous success and profit in your investment. I always say never let an opportunity pass, because this part is where you get to know the people behind the project, how well they know their business and the market. More often, you encounter real estate entrepreneurs who have made a name and reputation of building and completing, that's the key, successful real estate projects. They will offer another promising and potentially profitable project, adding to the many successful projects that they've done before. But sometimes there may be a fresh, modern, and innovative one that's definitely interesting and worth checking out as well. Either way, you as an investor get to decide whether you believe in the potential of the real estate business and project and how proficient the people are behind this particular project. Number 3, compared to other investment opportunities outside of the real estate industry, you get to keep more of the money you earn tax-wise. In general, private investors will pay between 20 and 25% in taxes on real estate investments, compared to ordinary income, hedge funds, other alternative vehicles, in which the highest tax bracket is 37%, maybe a little higher. Private equity real estate is usually held in an LLC, which is considered a pass-through entity by the IRS, and 100% of the income, losses, and expenses pass through to the owners. Private investors then are only taxed on their share of the income, expenses, and losses reported on their year-end tax document, the K-1. Investors are taxed at their tax rate, which could be lower than a corporation's. Please consult your accountant and tax advisor for more details. Number 4, make money and make time for the things that are important in your life, such as family. This is why I'm all for passive income investment in business. If you are someone like me and you're motivated and you're an enthusiastic entrepreneur, aside from being a wife and a mom and having a full-time career, then you will find yourself too also not having enough time to be able to squeeze in all the responsibilities, especially that can be involved in actively planning and managing a business. But to secure your future financially, to be able to provide for your family's needs and live the kind of life that you want to, you need something that's going to work for you. And being a private investor in real estate is the best way to gain residual income and do all of that. Get the chance to grow your real estate income and work together with me in my ongoing real estate investment projects. Follow the instructions in the description box below to learn more about it, and I'd be happy to tell you more about this amazing opportunity in detail. Don't let a good opportunity pass. Whenever one comes, I say go ahead and give it a chance, check it out, and study its potential to be profitable and successful. Now head on over to the description box and check out this amazing opportunity today. Watch out for more videos about real estate investment, as well as videos where I talk about digital marketing and wealth building every Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 9 a.m. PST here at Dr. Melva TV on YouTube, inspiring you to monetize your purpose and your success. Check out the M360 Entrepreneurs with Dr. Melva Facebook group, our community of purpose-fueled women determined and driven to start building their wealth. It's a great environment where women share inspiration and encourage each other to start building wealth and achieve their goals in life. Link in the description box below. If you liked the video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons as well as the bell icon to get notified on new uploads. See you again next Friday.